Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so for today we have the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and I have this device running on Visible. Now, originally this device was purchased through Metro by T-Mobile when I went ahead and subscribed to Metro back in January of 2021, and so this device was network locked to Metro. However, I was able to get it unlocked and to run Visible on this. Now, a couple of caveats to doing this. Biggest one is that there is no 5G access using Visible on the OnePlus Nord N10. Even though that this is a 5G device, this device was made to support low band and mid band 5G, but mostly low band, since that's what T-Mobile primarily focused on, and so therefore there is no 5G access or compatibility to Verizon's 5G network. So that's going to be one of the things here, that when you use Visible on the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, it is only going to connect to LTE. Same was it when I put Los Mobile on this device. So using Los Mobile, which is AT&T, I was not able to access 5G, which is one of the things that was talked about last year when it came to 5G, was that a lot of these companies were going to be able to make it to where if you wanted to use 5G access, you would need to stick with where you got the phone from if it was bought through a carrier. This problem is not faced with unlocked devices. Unlocked devices tend to be compatible with more 5G bands and LTE bands. But nonetheless, I was able to get it unlocked, so I don't have to stay on Metro with it. Now, like I said, it was free to unlock this phone. There's a catch to it. And that's the other caveat, is that while I didn't have to pay any type of thing to get the phone unlocked, I did have to wait. Now, with Metro by T-Mobile phones, you have to wait 180 days from when you purchase the phone. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to have the phone activated for 180 days, because I didn't have this phone active. I had shut down my Metro service and switched over to Google Fi at the time. That Metro, there was no service on it. So it had literally been sitting on my desk for about 4 to 5 months with no service on it. And today, upon waking up, I decided to try to unlock the phone using the unlock method. That's the little app on the phone itself, and it unlocked. And I put the Visible SIM in there, and it works. I've put the Los Mobile SIM, which runs on AT&T, and it works. So generally, it's working. Text, calls, data, all that's working. LTE is working, just no 5G, which is okay by me. But hey, it is what it is. It didn't cost me a dime. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little video about it, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a video or live stream. Thanks for checking out this video. And as always, aloha.